Hi Akshatha,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Mhm.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Okay, thank you.
Akshata, introduce about yourself, your college and native.
Okay, myself Akshatha. I'm completed in B Civil Engineering in Chamarajanagar Government Engineering College. I have 6 years of experience. I'm last previous company. I'm working in E3 Extrusion in Mysore.
Okay, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
My friend referred.
Your friend also completed the course here.
Yeah.
Okay. You were having experience, right? Can I know why you dropped your previous company and joined? What was
Um,
the purpose?
yeah, have 6 years of experience in E3 Extrusion. I'm working in Mysore. I'm designing in mechanical designing and metal plate designing.
Okay, which course you have chosen here?
Here, IDM interior designing course.
Okay, in IDM, like in interior designing, what are the new topics you have learned?
AutoCAD and SketchUp, at least anything I learned.
Okay, how was the trainer support? How they helped you out?
They all are good in teaching. It's a well trained institute.
Okay, how was your site visits? Site and factory visit, where all you have went and what the knowledge you have gained from the site visits?
One is interior designing. It's a company is a design cafe, and also connected in infra factory visited. So visited.
Okay, how was your interview procedure?
Interview procedure is first round is introduction yourself. Second round is they all ask about the interior designing like a kitchens, cupboard standard length, and kitchen designing how many types of kitchens and how many types of boards they are used like that. And third round is a practical round like AutoCAD and SketchUp drawings.
Okay, now for which role you have selected for?
Designing room.
Okay, I think you are happy with the role.
Yeah, I'm agree.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI and about your placements?
It's a best place to learn and best place to for a move on to the job. They give best companies.
Okay, Akshita, that was a nice talk with you. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future and congratulations for your placements.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.